To enable 144 Hz on your Sceptre monitor, you need the right cable connection. DisplayPort 1.2 or HDMI 2.0 cables are required for 144 Hz at 1080p resolution. Your graphics card must be capable of outputting 144 Hz. NVIDIA GTX 1060 or AMD RX 580 and newer cards are recommended for optimal 144 Hz gaming performance. Navigate to Windows Display Settings to configure the refresh rate. Go to Settings, then System, then Display, and click on Advanced Display Settings to access the monitor properties. In the Display Adapter Properties window, click the Monitor tab. From the Screen Refresh Rate drop-down menu, select 144 Hz and click Apply to save the changes. Finally, verify the settings in your graphics driver control panel. Open NVIDIA Control Panel or AMD Radeon settings and confirm that the refresh rate is set to 144 Hz for your monitor. Some games may also require you to manually set the refresh rate in their video settings to take full advantage of 144 Hz. Your Sceptre monitor is now configured for smooth, high refresh rate gaming. If you're experiencing issues getting 144 Hz to work on your Sceptre monitor, here are the most common problems and their solutions. First, check your cable connection. The most frequent issue is using an incompatible cable or loose connection. Second, ensure your graphics drivers are up to date. Outdated drivers are a common cause of refresh rate problems. If 144 Hz still doesn't appear as an option, you may need to create a custom resolution in your graphics control panel. Once you've made these changes, it's important to verify that 144 Hz is actually working. Here are reliable methods to confirm your refresh rate. The most reliable verification method is the Blurbuster's UFO motion test. This online tool visually confirms your actual refresh rate and shows if 144 Hz is working properly. You can also see the difference visually. Here's a comparison showing how much smoother motion appears at 144 Hz compared to 60 Hz, especially in fast-moving scenes. Additionally, most Sceptre monitors have a built-in on-screen display that shows the current refresh rate. Check your monitor's OSD menu to confirm 144 Hz is active.